Hi, I'm Scott Shaw, President and CEO of Lincoln Tech, and we're at Lincoln, Rhode Island for the grand opening of our skilled trades. It's a very exciting day. We have public officials, we have students, we have employers here. Everyone knows that there's a great need for people that can work with their hands. So we just launched an electrical program and an HVAC program, and later this summer we're going to launch a welding program. Everyone couldn't be more excited, and we're excited to be able to better serve the Rhode Island community.
We're going to be cutting this ribbon very, very shortly. We're not just opening new labs here or classrooms. We're opening up new opportunities for our students, new talent pipelines for our employers, and new possibilities for our community.
Lincoln Tech has consistently been at the forefront of preparing individuals with the expertise and hands-on training needed to thrive in today's workforce.
I want to thank everyone at Lincoln Tech for investing in Rhode Island's workforce in our community. You're not just training workers, you're empowering futures. I look forward to seeing the incredible impact these programs will have. Congratulations and best of luck to all the current and future students.
There's a greater demand from employers now more than ever for technical education, and it's one of the best pathways to success that's available for making a living wage. It is the hope from our economy and will be the best hope for the future because of Lincoln Tech's vision.
The curriculum here isn't theoretical. It's practical, it's hands-on, and it's aligned with the real demand of today's job market. It's also proof that workforce development is economic development.
So we have hired fire alarm technicians, HVAC technicians, and security technicians out of that program with those 500 people. So I'll wrap up just by saying thank you to Lincoln Tech for the great program, the great partnership we've had, and look forward to the continued growth of the program and hiring more people out of the program for Johnson Controls. Thank you.
As we cut this ribbon, we're not just opening doors to classrooms and labs, we're opening pathways to rewarding careers that will strengthen our community and help address the nationwide demand for skilled HVAC and electrical professionals.